Narrator: imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views, walking through a mansion so extravagant it makes five-star hotels look basic, and stepping into a garage worth more than most people's lifetime earnings. This is Cristiano Ronaldo's world, a $50 million mansion, a car collection worth millions, and a lifestyle that screams power, success, and freedom. But here's the real question: how did he get here? And more importantly, what can you learn from it to build your own empire? Because here's the thing: most people dream, but few take action. Let's take a deep dive inside Ronaldo's world, not just to admire it, but to uncover the secrets behind his wealth and mindset. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at money the same way again. Narrator: Ronaldo's main residence is a $50 million masterpiece in Quinta da Marina, Portugal, an ultra-exclusive area often called the Portuguese Riviera. This is no ordinary home. It's a fortress of luxury covering over 32,000 square feet, featuring 7 bedrooms, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a cutting-edge gym, and even a garage big enough to house a car collection that would make Elon Musk jealous. This isn't just a house, it's a statement. Every inch of this mansion screams, "I have arrived." But before you get lost in the luxury, ask yourself this: would you be ready for this level of wealth if it came tomorrow? Because here's a hard truth: wealth doesn't change you, it reveals you. Still think money solves all problems. Not if you don't know how to manage it. So let's talk about how Ronaldo built a life where he never has to check a price tag. Narrator: before the Bugattis and mansions, there was a boy from Madeira, Portugal, who shared a tiny room with his siblings. A boy who trained obsessively, refusing to accept mediocrity. Here's a truth most people ignore: Ronaldo isn't just rich because he's talented. He's rich because he outworked everyone. Others partied, he trained. While others slept, he studied the game. That's why when the millions started rolling in, he knew exactly how to multiply them. And this brings us to one of the biggest mistakes people make with money. They spend it on liabilities instead of assets. Let me show you why Ronaldo does things differently. Scene transition, cinematic montage of Ronaldo's car collection: Bugatti Centodieci, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Lamborghini Aventador, Ferrari 599 GTO. Narrator: Ronaldo's car collection is valued at over $20 million. But here's what most people miss: these aren't just toys. Every car he buys is a collector's item that appreciates in value. Unlike your neighbor financing a car he can't afford, Ronaldo's purchases are calculated plays. This is how the wealthy think. They buy appreciating assets, not fleeting status symbols. His Bugatti Centodieci? Only 10 exist in the world. That's an investment, not an expense. The lesson? If it doesn't make you money or elevate your lifestyle long term, think twice before you buy it. But don't worry, you don't need a Bugatti to start thinking like the rich. You just need the right strategy. Final scene: a dramatic zoom in on Ronaldo standing in front of his mansion, looking out at the horizon. Because here's the real secret: Ronaldo didn't just build wealth, he built momentum. Every decision he made compounded over time. And that's exactly what you need to do if you ever want to reach this level. Narrator: if you want to know how Ronaldo's wealth keeps growing even when he sleeps, you need to understand the power of compounding. Click on this video right here, and I'll show you exactly how the world's richest people multiply their money without lifting a finger. I'll see you there.